Hi everyone, so Sound Filipina here, and today we're just gonna try on shoes that I didn't try on before. And for today, I didn't try because of the weather here in the Philippines is quite very hot. So start like 9 in the morning until 4, still very hot, and then so sunny. Well, anyway, for today, since I don't have any videos need to upload in my channel, so I'm just gonna try on my shoes here and the boots that I have. And next time I'm going to collect some boots like colorful like this one, or any type of shoes. So I have 5 pairs coming, flats, sandal, and that's from Shein. And for now I have this, you see it already from my driving video. And now we're gonna model some shoes. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy our try on shoes. I love you all, guys.